Good morning, students. In the last video, we have read the story The Grandma's Glasses, and now in this video, we will find out how to attempt the questions. Firstly, there is answer these questions. There are some questions given. We have read all the things in the story and we have to find the answers of the questions in the story. Now, next is think and answer. The first question is Aji wore glasses because we have to tell the reason that why Aji wore glasses. Second is does anyone in your family wear glasses? Here it is being asked if there is any person in your family who wear the glasses. You have to tell about that person and how old were they when they started wearing the glasses. You have to tell that person's age when he or she started wearing the glasses. Nextly, here's a question. Name any other thing that grandparents wear or use. You have to tell any other thing that your grandparents wear or that they use, and you have to draw that or you have to paste a picture here, and then you have to speak a sentence about that thing and you have to write about it here. Nextly, there are some things given as pictures that we found in our houses that usually are there in our houses. We have to identify them and we have to write their names here in the spaces given below. There are some hints given. We have to select and write it here. Next question is name the different rooms in a house. You have to tell about the rooms that are in your house and why do you use each room for. You have to describe that. Next is learn the language. The topic is common and special names. We have to read the sentences firstly, like Aji was searching for something in her bag. Madhav picked up the newspaper and he looked under the chair. Here are some words that are given in bold letters. Aji and bag, Madhav, newspaper and chair. Firstly, what is a naming word? Naming word is a name of a person or a place or an animal or a thing that describes name of something. That is a naming word. Here the words Aji, Madhav, these are the special names for two people, and newspaper, bag and chair, these are the name of objects that we generally find in our houses. So the naming word that is common for the persons, animals, places or things, that is a common name, that is known as a common name. For example, pencil, this is a pencil, this is the name of a thing, this is common for all, therefore this is a common name. And book. Similarly, a naming word that is used as a special name for a person, an animal, a place or a thing is a special name. Now, special name is like name of a person, name of a city. That is a special name that only one person holds or one city holds. That is a special name. Now, we will read these sentences like I have a dog named Roger. We will find out here dog. Dog is a common name as there are many dogs in the world. And Roger is the name of a particular dog. Therefore, it is a special name. Now here the question says underline the common name and circle the special name. Here from this we have to underline the one which is a common. Underline the one which is a common name and we have to circle the one that is a special name. For example, India is a beautiful country. India, it's one in the word, that is a special name. And country, as there are a lot of countries in the world, therefore it is a common name, therefore we have underlined it. Similarly, you have to attempt all the other. Part B says write a special name for each common name. Here are some common names given, and here in this box you have to write some special names to them. Like city, it can be any city. For example, here Bhopal is given. School, it can be the name of any school. We will write the name of our school, that is Apple International School. This is a special name for school. Similarly, you have to attempt all the other three. Now, the next question says, read these sentences, underline the naming words, write C for common names and S for special names. Here in these lines, we have to find out which is a common name and which is a special name, and we have to mark them by writing C, use C for the common name and use S for the special name. Next is gender. From the story, we have already read that Veena's mother searched the balcony and Veena's father searched the kitchen. Here, mother and father are in bold letters, that these are the genders that are opposite to each other. For example, the male genders that are for used for boys or men, that some words are used for boys or men, that are the male gender. For example, father, brother, king, tiger. And some naming words that are particularly used for girls or women, that is mother, sister, queen, tigress. Right? Here some examples are given, like for male, or opposite of male is female, boy is girl, son, daughter, bull, cow, husband, wife. Now there is a table given. Now there is a table given and we have to write the particular male and female according to the requirements by choosing the words from this box. Next is read the sentences from the story. There are some sentences given like suddenly Madhav shouted, I found them. Veena said, I will look in your room, Aji. See, the first letter of all the words are, first letters are written in the bold letters, written as the bold letters. Notice we have written all the sentence begin with the capital letters. So we know that the first word of every sentence begins with the capital letter. Every sentence, the first word, that would be capital letter only. Secondly, the names of the proper names, the names of people, the name of place, the name of anything, they also begin with the capital letters. And one more thing, always whenever we have to write I, it is always capital. So here is an exercise given where we have to rewrite these sentences using the capital letters. These sentences are given in small letters. We have to change it accordingly. Like here, I is small, want to go to Kerala. So one example is here, I is always capital, then want to go to Kerala. It is a name of a place, so K would be capital. Similarly, you have to attempt all. Now nextly, it is a listening activity where Veena is teaching Madhav to make an origami dog. From your exercise, you will listen to the instructions and you will try to make a dog from the paper. Nextly, there would be a conversation between Leena and Sid. You will listen to the conversation and you will use these sentences to do the conversation with anyone. Nextly, you have to name a friend and write a few sentences about your friend. Like the friend I am going to write about. Here you will write the name of the friend. Then you will describe the things that are asked here about your friend.